Okay, hello viewers. Okay, this is Alan Kids and I want to do a song. Somebody asked me to do it on B and also on F sharp. So I'm going to explain the chords in B then in F sharp. So the song is UINULIWE. UINULIWE YESU Piano. That one. So I'm going to do it on B, don't worry, and also on F sharp. So for the scale of B, okay, B starts from B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1. So 1 is B, 2 is C sharp minor, 3 is D sharp minor, 4 is E, 5 is B, no I mean F sharp, 6 is G sharp, 7 is B flat, back to 8 or 1 which is B. So the song, let me explain it first. So the song starts from 1. Let me first just show you the chords, then I'll explain. UINULIWE YESU wewe wema, UINULIWE YESU wewe wema, Bwana katika miungu yote, ni nani aliye kama wewe? Utukufu katika takatifu, wenye kuogopa katika sifa, uliyevuma kwa upepo wako, bahari kafunikiza adui, wakazama kama risasi, risasi gani ya maji makovu. UINULIWE Yesu wewe wema. So like that. So the chords from 1 on B, this is B, so we are playing B and F sharp. This side is B, C sharp and D sharp and F sharp. Then you play. This is 5 minor. The 5 is F sharp, so the minor. This is B, C sharp and F sharp. This side is just you play F sharp. UINULIWE. Then you can play this one with 3 or with that 5, but mostly you play it with 3. UINULIWE. Then you go to 4. Your 4 is E. This side I'm playing E, B, and I'm playing G sharp, B, and E. This side I'm playing G sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. UINULIWE Yesu. This side I'm playing E, B, and E. Then I'm playing the 2. So 3 is C sharp minor, C sharp, E, and G sharp. This side is C sharp. Then 6 is G sharp minor, and then F sharp. That is the 5. F sharp, G sharp, B flat, and C sharp. This side is just C sharp. So UINULIWE Yesu wewe wema, UINULIWE Yesu wewe wema. This one is just chromatic, starting from the 5 back to 1. Then there's the second part. Bwana katika miungu yote, ni nani aliye kama wewe? 5, then utukufu katika. So this one, this is a flat 7 major. So flat 7 plays as a major chord. So I'm playing the A. Utukufu katika utakatifu. Then I move chromatic. Bwana katika miungu yote, ni nani aliye kama wewe? Utukufu so here, this is A, then this is E, the 5 over this is 6, then you play again, you flatten A, this is G, B, and this is E. This side you play with E, with G, then you play 1 over 5, then you play flat 5. This is F, G sharp, and B. This side you play the F, then you go back to your R1, your 5, which is F sharp. So simple. So slowly, uinuliwe Yesu, wewe mwema. Uinuliwe Yesu, wewe mwema. Bwana katika miungu yote, ni nani aliye kama wewe? Utukufu katika utakatifu, mwenye kuogopa katika sifa. Uliyevuma kwa upepo wako, bali hakunikiza adui. Wakazama kama risasi. So it's like that. So on F sharp, so F sharp is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uinuliwe Yesu, wewe 1 mwema. 5, uinuliwe 1 Yesu, wewe mwema. Bwana katika miungu yote, ni nani aliye kama wewe? Utukufu katika flat 7, then play the 4 minor, 1 over 5, then 5. Uliyevuma kwa upepo wako, bali hakunikiza adui. Wakazama kama risasi. Risasi then you can play this plus 5. So for the chords is 1, F sharp, 4, back to 1, to 5. Then we have that portion there from here, flat 7. This is like playing E. Then you play the 4. Then you play the 4 minor. B, and F sharp. Then 1 over 5. This side is 5, this side is 1. Then you play the minor 5, like flat 5, I mean. So flat 5 is C diminished, then 5. That is for F sharp. But for B, it starts from B. Uinuliwe Yesu. You go to E, which is 4. Back to then 5. Uinuliwe Yesu, 5. Then we have this utukufu katika utakatifu. So this one is easy. It's flat 7, play it as a major, then you go to 4, then minor 4, then you go to 1 over 5. You can play flat 5, then 5, then back to 1. So that is for B and F sharp. It was requested for B and F sharp. So if you want for any other key, you can tell me.